I'm Cheri, and I'm a food blogger at cookswellwithothers.com, and I love sharing all of my recipes with you. And one of the things that I try to do for my family is plan meals that will help me keep my sanity throughout the week, because I also work full-time as a teacher. So I try to do some kind of fun weekend dinners or snacks. A lot of times on the weekends we go to parties and things, so I like to share those with you. But then during the week I like to keep it super simple with my meal planning. So I thought that it might be helpful for some of you busy working moms out there like me, just to kind of have everything all planned out. And I will link the recipes below to help you out, so that you have a whole week's meal plan and a fun weekend dinner or a fun weekend snack, all linked below. And you can get all of those recipes and many more at cookswellwithothers.com. So let me go ahead and get started with sharing this week's meal plan for you. So the first recipe that I'm going to share with you this week is not really a dinner, but it is going to help dinner time go much more smoothly as you're making it throughout the week. It is simple shredded chicken for meal prep. So you are going to use that in 2 out of the 3 meals that I'm going to share with you this week. The first one being chicken bacon ranch tacos, which is my family's one of their all-time favorite taco recipes that I make. So since the chicken will already be cooked for you, the only thing that you really have to make is the bacon, and then everybody just assembles their own tacos. Another meal that is on the menu for this week is sweet chili salmon with green beans. And I love this one because it is a one pan meal. So that means easy cleanup. The sweet chili salmon is perfect for kids. It's not too spicy, and the green beans get super crispy. So that's one of my family's favorites as well. We're also going to make air fryer chicken chimichangas. And again, the chicken is already cooked for you, so it's just stuffing everything into a tortilla, throwing it in the air fryer. And if you don't have an air fryer, you can bake that for about 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And then we have our football snack of the week for the weekend, when you can make something a little bit more special. We are going to do smoked bacon wrapped jalapenos. They're cheesy, they're delicious, and you could also make those in the oven as well if you don't have a smoker. I would bake those for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees as well. So hopefully these help you with your meal plan throughout the week, and I will see you guys next week for a whole another meal plan.